welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bingo Tech. Today we are going to unbox this, and you will be maybe surprised, or you already may know from the heading of it what we are going to unbox today. It's basically a you can say Yale Assure lock connected by OS. Of course, it's an automated smart lock for your home, and for maybe if you have a home like something you want to do kind of Airbnb, So let's start an unboxing of it and see what's inside the box right now. Right now I don't have a proper tool, so maybe I'm using this knife. Be careful with that. Of course, you don't want to cut your hand or with it along with this. So okay. So it's cut from this side, and it's from here too. Okay, so it's directly shipped from Amazon. Of course, I bought it from Amazon, right? And you can easily get it from there too. This video is not being sponsored by Yale or anything. It's just my review. Okay, first of all, okay, some airbags, some welcome notes, of course, from Amazon, and here we go, our Yale box. So let's put aside this one first and see how does this packs. Okay, so this one kind of have a good packaging from everywhere. Okay, and now. Okay, so let's start unboxing this one as well and see what will be the outcome of the product. And make sure to watch my another video. In that other video we will be having a review of the product after installing this. So but before installing, let's go through what we have got into this box. So this is the panel. It gives you from A to, or you can say 1 to 7 steps that you have to follow it, and from that you will be able to easily configure this lock at your door. It will be very convenient if you even don't want to rent it out. It's just one for yourself. You may just want to make a smart home, and if you think that your home should be like more kind of into a smart category, so I think it's great for that. You see, this is connected by August kit and for Yale Assure locks. So you can see it actually works with Amazon Alexa, with also Apple HomeKit, and works with Google Assistant as well. So this is some graphics of it, and connected by August, and it's a product of Yale. So what's at the back side? Let's see. So require, these are the models that actually comes in packaging. Let's see which one we have ordered over here. You can see these, it also have any apps on App Store and Google Play Store. Okay, so I think it's enough for this side. You see how what's inside the box. It's connected by August Mobile and connected by Wi-Fi bridge and August Door Sense, right? So what other requirements you can see is iOS or Android, Wi-Fi, Assure lock lever, and some of the models of the locks here, and outlet. So I think we are good now. So let's open another box first, because they were like kind of, surprise in each box for us. So let me take out this first. Okay, so this is another box that comes inside this second box. So we've got like 3 boxes now so far. So this is kind of very jam. So okay, so we got installation and programming, Yale Real Living, and I think it has something called a guide, installation guide as well. And let's see what kind of guide we've got here. Okay, so this is kind of very stuck here. Okay, so this is an alert. Okay, call us first. We are here to tell. Okay, so this is like a technical thing. Okay, download a 3 built app or 3D interactive instructions, right? And the other manuals, of course, we make sure to read them first, because before reading it, without reading it, of course, you cannot be able to set up Israel. So, or maybe if you have a, beforehand this experience before, so of course you can be able to do that. Okay, so they are giving away some free discounts as well for the next time, and as well as what else they are giving is new dot. Okay, so it's kind of door marking template, and how you can actually put a template on that. And okay, that's kind of fine. Okay, let's open this again. What have we got here? Okay, so first of all, okay, where does this open from? Okay, from the side actually. Oh, I'm so sorry. It just came out of the front, and of course it's kind of very heavy. Have a sleek look. Okay, so what do we got here? So we got a panel with the wires at the behind, and you can see this panel comes with a key as well. It has a very glossy and a very fine edges, and enter or unlock. You can see settings as well, plus you can say it says wake up. Okay, so you have to wake up by tapping on the Yale. And okay, so this is basically for the outside part. Okay, so this is like a touch panel. Just go inside and just open the door. Fine. Okay, let's move on to another one. I have to be very careful this time because I already dropped that one first before, so I don't want to drop this either. So this is the like internal part. So of course it's more easy, but still heavier. It's kind of very heavy, And you see, this is having some kind of glossy look, plus having, I don't know whether is it like a design of it, or is like just having the scratches on it. So right now it's working freely, of course, because it's locked at the moment. And what's inside is a panel, of course, so we have to be very careful before installing anything, of course. So this one we have done it so far. So now it's a chance or time to open this. Okay, so this one, let's unbox it. I already opened this one first. I'll know from the inside how it looks like. Okay, so this one, before you start, it also have a download the August app, of course. Okay, so maybe this is the plug that you need to put in to your home, of course. Okay, this might be a cable. Of course it will be. What else it actually has? Okay, this box actually is actually good, and it smells good as well, but let's take a look what actually comes inside the box. So this is an adapter actually that gives or connect with your Wi-Fi and as well with your lock as well. So like it works simultaneously with both of them. So right now you can see a marking over here as well by August, because of course, yeah, this is what you call an August, right? That's why it has a, you see, August Connect. Okay, so this one is fine. Maybe this one is just a power adapter or something. Let's open this as well and see what have we got inside. We have got a terms and conditions, and okay, and along with that, what else we got? Let's see. I'm so sorry, this one is just like Okay, so yeah, this is what we got from the box, from the small box. I guess this one we need to install into that lock so it get connected internally. So it's kind of pretty good actually. So I think for now it's good enough to what for us. I think it doesn't have anything else. Let's just have a look because I can feel there is something else as well inside. Yes, of course there is something else. Okay, so this is, let's see what it is. This is a something else. Well, let's find out later. Of course, we need to install this, and we have to see how the things goes, right? So, thank you for watching today this video, and I hope you like it. So, for if you like it, please do like and subscribe my channel for further videos and unboxings and for further reviews. We have different gadgets and different products to review for. So see you soon. Thank you very much.